everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Titiksha and I am a chartered accountant. I know बहुत टाइम बाद एक नया वीडियो आ रहा है बट मेरे लास्ट 2 weeks इतने ज़्यादा बिजी थे, they were so hectic that I could not shoot a new video, I could not upload anything new, but I am finally here with a new video. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give it a like and comment down below, and you know the drill. So today's video is about those mistakes that I did during the last month of my chartered accountancy preparation, and these mistakes have consequences, and so I do not really want any one of you to repeat those mistakes. There are around about 7 to 8 mistakes, and please do not repeat that. Make your own mistakes, that's okay, but do not repeat the same mistakes that others have done. So without any further ado, let's get into it. The first mistake I did was trying to change my schedule, and I am guilty of it. I was a person who used to wake up by 6:30 every morning and go to bed by 11 p.m. maximum. Okay, and I thought I was doing good, I was doing well. But कुछ लोगों से बात करी and they were like, यार हम तो ना सुबह 4 बजे उठ जाते हैं या फिर सुबह 3:30 बजे उठ जाते हैं. Like legit, there were people who used to say हम लोग 3:30 बजे उठ जाते हैं. I was like, okay. And then there were people who used to go to bed by 4 a.m. or 3:30 a.m. And I was like, यार मैं तो ना सुबह जल्दी उठती हूँ ना रात को लेट सोती हूँ, चक्कर क्या है? So I thought let's give it a shot, and I tried to wake up at 4 a.m. one day. It was a disaster, a complete disaster. I could not study the whole day because I was tired, I was sleepy, my brain was just not working. So I thought, okay, एक दिन मैं काम करती हूँ, रात को लेट सोती हूँ. Bad, just bad. I could not study for straight 3 days because I got this
strange headache, अजीब सा headache हो गया because my sleep schedule, my sleep cycle was changed, distorted, and I hated it. I wasted my 4 days only because of trying to adapt to someone else's schedule while I was doing good with my schedule. But I was like, no, maybe there's something right with them and wrong with me. But you do not do that mistake. I realized that everyone has their own schedule and you need to stick to it. You need to trust yourself. You need to trust your schedule. If you think you're doing good, you are doing good. Just trust yourself.
So before we move any further with the video, I would like to thank Unacademy for partnering with us in this video. So Unacademy is coming up with their Avengers batch for CA Foundation November 21 attempt. And what is Unacademy? It is a platform where you can learn from the best educators in India and make the most of your ability. They have tons and tons of benefits to offer. So when you're paying for an Unacademy subscription, you are not just paying for their classes, you are paying for the tons and tons of benefits that they're offering. Number 1, live classes. Number 2, recorded lectures with unlimited watch time. How cool is that, right? Number 3, access to all the detailed notes, and the notes they have for CA Foundation are made in such a manner that they attract students because they are colorful, they're highlighted, and they help you memorize better. Number 4, every 4th session is a doubt solving session, so none of your doubts remains uncleared. Number 5, you get updated study material, and number 7, you get to practice mock test on Unacademy platform itself. Unacademy offers 2 types of subscription. The first one is the Plus subscription and the second one is the Iconic subscription. In the Plus subscription, you get all the benefits that I've talked about, and in the Iconic subscription, you get all these benefits plus a few other crazy benefits. Number 1, you get a personal coach. Yes, that's true. Number 2, you get a progress learning tracker where you can actually track your progress. Number 3, you get access to physical notes and physical books. Number 4, a Discord channel. Okay, and all these details will be flashed on the screen so you can have a detailed review. Number 5, you have industry expert sessions, and then you have all the plus benefits included in it. And Iconic subscription is like, it is great, okay? Plus, you can get a 10% discount if you use my code TT45. It will be on somewhere on the screen. Okay, subscribing is very easy. All you have to do is download the app, set your goal as CA Foundation, and click on Get Subscription. You can choose between the Plus variant or the Iconic variant, and in both of them, you also have the option to choose either only for CA Foundation, or a combo pack which gives you access to CA Foundation plus CA Intermediate. But whatever you choose, make sure you use my code TT45 to get a 10% instant discount. So make sure you do not forget that, and happy learning. Also remember, the batch starts tomorrow, that is June 30th. So hurry up. But in case you miss any classes, don't forget we have recorded lectures with unlimited watch time. Now, coming back to the video and coming back to the mistakes that I did that you are not going to repeat. Number 2 is not taking planned breaks. जब आप लास्ट मंथ में होते हो ना अपने एग्जाम के, यू नॉर्मली टेल योर सेल्फ कि बेटा यू डू नॉट डिजर्व अ ब्रेक, यू हैव टू स्टडी एज मच एज यू कैन, बट दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग. दिस इज नॉट हाउ इट वर्क्स. आई यूज्ड टू डू दिस मिस्टेक, एंड इससे क्या होता है कि अगर आप प्लान्ड ब्रेक्स नहीं ले रहे हो तो योर ब्रेन विल फोर्स यू टू टेक अनप्लान्ड ब्रेक्स. एंड आई एम श्योर आप सबने वो सिचुएशन फेस किया होगा. लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. योर ब्रेन विल फोर्स यू टू टेक अनप्लान्ड ब्रेक्स, एंड 4 दिन की पढ़ाई के बाद योर ब्रेन विल टेल यू, बॉस, I will not be able to accept any more information. I need a break. I need a charger to my brain, to my battery. So that's when you will feel guilty about not studying, because तुम्हारे जो schedule था उसमें
था कि तुम्हें आज 3 चैप्टर करने हैं, but your brain is not accepting and blah 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 blah. So you get the point, right? अगर आप unplanned breaks लोगे तो you will only be end up being guilty.
On the other hand, अगर आप planned breaks लोगे, आपके schedule में already time blocked होगा for those 6 hours 7 hours की, ये मेरे ब्रेक वाले हैं. इससे क्या होगा, जो पहले के 4 दिन आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, यू विल बी एट द टॉप ऑफ योर एनर्जी, बिकॉज यू विल बी लाइक ओके 4 दिन पढ़ना है एंड देन आई हैव अ गुड 6 hours ब्रेक. एंड जब आप ब्रेक लोगे, यू नॉट फील गिल्टी बिकॉज ये प्लान था. एंड देन व्हेन यू रीस्टार्ट योर स्टडीज आफ्टर द 6 hours or 1 day, you will feel happy about it because you've had your break and now you can study peacefully. You know how it works? Like, planned breaks are very very important to complete your productivity cycle, because अगर unplanned break आ गया ना, तो आपकी cycle टूट जाएगी. So make sure you have planned breaks. Even if you have only 15 days to your exam, have just 3 hours or 4 hours of planned breaks. I'm not telling you to have पूरा दिन का planned break if you have such less time, but have it. It's important. You deserve it. The third mistake I did that you are not going to repeat is taking up new topics in those last 1 month. Okay, so we always have those few topics that we skip, कि ये तो नहीं आने वाले या फिर ये less important है, ऐसा करके we skip those topics. But we also have that one Jyotish friend who's like, dude, इसमें से 10 मार्क का पक्का आने वाला है, तो लिख के ले ले. And you're like, यार मैंने तो ये छोड़ दिया है और इसी में से आ गया, और वो ज्योतिष फ्रेंड भी सही बोल रहा है, अब क्या करूँ? My question is, have you mastered the remaining syllabus? बिकॉज बाकी के 90 मार्क्स का कहाँ से आ रहा है? एग्जिस्टिंग सिलेबस से. ठीक है, आपका एग्जिस्टिंग सिलेबस ठीक से हो गया है क्या? बिकॉज इफ यस, ओके, देन यू डू नॉट हैव टू वरी अबाउट इट. यू हैव मास्टर्ड 90% ऑफ योर सिलेबस. एंड इफ नो, मास्टर दैट फर्स्ट. क्या करोगे नया टॉपिक उठा के अगर पुराना ही मास्टर नहीं कर पा रहे हो? तो क्या करोगे उस 10 मार्क का? अगर आपका 90 मार्क्स परफेक्ट नहीं है तो प्लीज डू नॉट pick up anything new in those last 10 to 15 days, 20 days and even 30 days. जो आपका फ्रेंड बोल रहा है ना, उसको बोलने दो. Please do not do this mistake, because picking up a new topic will only make you more anxious, because obviously it is absolutely new and you have left it for a reason. So please trust yourself on that. Next mistake I did was not moving my body. Not exercising was one of the biggest mistakes I did, because again, you think you're wasting your time, but you are not. You are only helping your body, helping your brain to study better. And when I say moving your body or exercising, I am not talking about a leisure walk जिसमें आराम से टहल के चलते हैं. No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about 10 minutes का HIIT that pumps your heart and that, you know, makes you sweaty and very tired for a while. Do that. 10 minutes, 15 minutes का HIIT. There are tons of video on YouTube that you can refer to, and I'm sure you can give 15 minutes to your health.
Because it's not just about your physical health. This is directly affecting your mental health, your brain power as well. So make sure you move your body. And I cannot stress enough on this point. This is the biggest mistake that I did, and please do not repeat.
The next one is not getting enough sleep, and this is directly linked to the first point जहाँ पे मैंने कहा था that you try to change your schedule and adapt to someone else's schedule. So not getting enough sleep. We normally require 7 to 8 hours of sleep, but last के दिनों में we feel like सो के हम सिर्फ time waste कर रहे हैं. बट नो, अनप्लान ब्रेक्स जैसे इंपॉर्टेंट है, एक्सरसाइजिंग इंपॉर्टेंट है, वैसे स्लीप इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. ठीक है, आई अग्री. अगर हफ्ते के 7 दिनों में से 3 दिन आप सिर्फ 5 to 6 आवर्स का स्लीप ले रहे हो एंड बाकी दिन यू आर कवरिंग इट अप बाय स्लीपिंग फॉर 8 आवर्स, ओके, लाइक टू मेंटेन अ बैलेंस, दैट्स ओके. It's truly okay. I'm not asking you to sleep 9 hours, 10 hours every single day, because that is not possible, because obviously you have to study very, very hard. But have at least 7 hours of sleep plus I personally highly suggest to have a 30 to 45 minute nap in the afternoon.
2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock, जब भी आपको आपका most tired वाला phase होता है, have a short 30-45 minute nap, because
your brain deserves it, yaar. Your brain just truly deserves all of this. Next mistake I did was either too excessive planning or too little planning. Planning is important, okay, but kitna? Like, I do not want you to spend 2 to 3 hours of your day in just planning कि यार मैं ऐसा कल पढ़ूंगा, ऐसा पढ़ूंगा, ऐसा पढ़ूंगा, ऐसा पढ़ूंगा, but not implementing it. This is too excessive planning. You need to know how much to plan. You need to know कि अगले 7 दिन प्लान करना है कि 10 दिन प्लान करना है कि आवरली शेड्यूल रखना है कि अगले के 6 महीने प्लान करना है. You need to know that. Too excessive planning will only lead you, will only waste your time and it will lead you nowhere. And too little planning is as harmful as too excessive planning. Too little planning क्या होता है? Too little planning is telling yourself that in the next 2 months I will complete direct tax. Okay, now what? How? Do you know if you will able to complete full direct tax in the next 2 months? Do you have a weekly schedule? Do you know which chapters you need to get done by the next week? No, that is too little planning. You need to have optimum planning, and that is very important. And the last mistake I did, which is definitely not the least, is not being prepared for that one day before exam. 6 महीना पढ़ लो या 6 साल पढ़ लो, अगर एग्जाम के पहले वाला एक दिन जो मिलता है वो आप मैनेज नहीं कर पाए ना, it is all a waste of time, energy and money. You need to understand that one day before the exam you need to prepare yourself in such a manner कि तुमको टाइम मिले हर एक टॉपिक को ग्लैंस करने का. पढ़ने का तो टाइम भी नहीं होता बिकॉज द सिलेबस इज ह्यूज. ऐसा शेड्यूल बनाना है, इस तरह से नोट्स बनाने हैं कि एक दिन पहले you can at least glance through every single thing, every single formula, every single adjustment. And if you're failing to do that, be prepared to fail the exams. And this might sound very, very harsh, but I've been through it. I wasn't able to clear something only because I wasn't able to plan that one day before exam. So I do not want you to repeat that mistake.
have short notes, have questions that you have to see before appearing for the exam, have a book जहाँ पे तुम्हारे practical के adjustments लिखे होंगे. Do anything. अगर एक chapter छूट रहा है ना, छूटने दो, but make sure you prepare for this one day before exam. It is the most important thing that can help you pass the exams.
So those were all the mistakes that I did, and I really do not want you guys to repeat that. Please do not repeat these mistakes because the consequences are real. Okay, that was the end of the video. I really hope this was useful to you. If it was, please let me know by commenting down below, giving this a like. It truly means a lot. And मेरे इस busy schedule में I will definitely try to make more such videos. Also make sure you follow me on my Instagram account. अभी कुछ एक नया चीज़ चल रहा है वहाँ पे. Only those who follow me on my Instagram account know that. It is definitely helping out other students and it can help you out too. If you want to know, make sure you follow me there. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.